Hello mga tol, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are gonna be featuring the Honda CB150X. This new ride from Honda draws the imposing adventure styling from the CB500X, featuring muscular fairing, adventure-style undercowl, sturdy-looking bash plate, and tall windscreen from a truly head-turning look. Nasa tingin ko after 1 or 2 months hindi na to magiging common at makikita na natin ito madalas sa daan. The all-new CB150X is powered by a 149cc liquid-cooled 4-valve double overhead cam PGM FI engine that is capable of producing power of 11.5 kilowatts at 9,000 RPM and 13.8 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM. The powertrain is linked with a 6-speed transmission na standard na sa lahat ng mga motor ngayon. It also equipped with a bigger fuel tank capacity of 12 liters and fuel efficiency of 38 kilometers per liter. Tipid na yon mga tol dahil ang makina nito ay FI na siya or fuel injected. So tipid na yon, 38 kilometers per liter, sulit na sulit pang long ride. At meron din itong napaka-eleganteng fully digital meter panel na pahaba. Napaka-visible nito kahit sa daylight. It also has all LED lighting system, tapered handlebar and duck fender. Na kung tatanungin nyo kung para saan yung big o yung toka ng motor yung sa harapan niya, kung mapapansin nyo, sa totoo lang wala. So para sa iba, sabi nila para sa aerodynamics or para sa protection or extra protection ng motor sa harapan. Pero sa totoo lang wala. Naging trademark na lang siya ng isang adventure bike. Meanwhile, riding comfort is likewise assured with upright riding position with a seat height of 817mm, long suspension stroke and high ground clearance of 181mm. It also features Showa brand inverted front forks and ProLink rear suspension. Well, dun palang panalong-panalo na tayo mga tol. The braking duties are handled by front and rear wavy hydraulic disc brakes para sa mas makapit na braking system. Sa ngayon, dalawang kulay pa lang ang pwede nating pagpilian na nandito sa Pilipinas. Yung kulay red at yung kulay black. Yung isang kulay, hindi pa natin alam kung ilalabas ba ni Honda Philippines. Pero as a reference, pwede nyo po i-search yung isang kulay sa Google or sa YouTube. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.